Welcome to 1 Minute Yoga by Active SGV's CalFresh team. Today, we'll be practicing the cat-cow stretch with modifications. For this stretch, we are going to start in a tabletop position with your hands underneath your shoulders and knees underneath your hips. As you inhale, let your belly drop, open up your heart, and look up towards the sky. As you exhale, reverse the movement by rounding your spine, tucking your tailbone, and bringing chin to chest. Gently repeat this move for at least 3 rounds of breath. To modify this position, find a seated position on the floor or in a chair. On an inhale, push your heart forward, round your shoulders back, and look up at the sky. Option to reach the arms out wide as you do this. On your exhale, round your spine gently and bring your chin to your chest. Option to grab onto opposite shoulders as you give yourself a hug. Repeat this for at least 3 rounds of breath.